Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview family portable inflatable swimming pool. Let's enjoy the water fun in this thickened rectangle above ground pool. The inflatable family pool super tough sidewalls. A durable, yet lightweight PVC material provides structural integrity to your pool. Just select a level surface, inflate the pool, fill the pool with water, and you'll be splashing around in no time. The pool capacity 1 to 20 people use. Get ready to watch your kids' eyes light up when they see this thickened rectangle above ground pool set up in your backyard. Product benefits: easy to assemble, no tools. Safety and environmental protection with our PVC material. Independent layered inflation reduce air leakage rate. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.